Thank you for your interest in the Substance Use Disorder Workforce Expansion, or SUDWE, Fellowship Program. In this short video, we hope to inform you of the purpose of the program, its requirements, and its benefits to you as a student. In the wake of the opioid crisis, it has become abundantly clear that the demand for substance use disorder treatment services far exceeds the available supply of trained professionals. Specifically, this gap is particularly notable among master's level clinical social workers. The SUDWE grant was created to address this discrepancy and help improve access to treatment services in Maryland communities. The funding for the SUDWE Fellowship comes from a SAMHSA grant that is administered by the Maryland Behavioral Health Administration. BHA selected 3 academic institutions: Morgan State University, the University of Maryland, Baltimore, and Salisbury University, to implement this program. Thus, if accepted into Salisbury University's SUDWE program, you will be joined by fellows at the other 2 institutions as well. The SUDWE Fellowship's mission is pretty direct: to help develop a competent workforce that meets the treatment needs of the community. Specifically, we want our fellows to graduate with the knowledge of and competence in evidence-based practices that help guide their clinical interactions with clients. Bernadette Cosgrove, a member of our first SUDWE Fellowship cohort, illustrates this mission as she discussed how the program opened up doors for her professional development in the substance use disorder treatment field.
When I saw the SUDWE opportunity, I had some interest in substance abuse work, but I didn't have any experience. So I thought, might as well give it a shot. But everything I learned through coursework and the SUDWE fellowship, along with my internship last year, has been invaluable. I now work in substance abuse full time, and there's no way I would have gotten that job without, having the skills that I learned and the experiences I gained, basically all because of SUDWE. So yeah, absolutely. It's been integral into the clinician I am now.
To meet SUDWE's mission, there are several requirements that fellows must adhere to. First, they must complete their 2 MSW field placements in a substance use disorder treatment facility that has been approved by the field office. Second, they are expected to attend and participate in monthly field seminar classes with the other SUDWE fellows. These class sessions are vital as they give an opportunity for the cohort to process their experiences and get valuable feedback. Third, students must complete all surveys sent out by the University of Maryland, Baltimore, as these forms are used to evaluate program effectiveness and provide data for grant purposes. Fourth, since this fellowship is designed to increase the substance use disorder treatment workforce, students are expected to pursue employment in treatment settings that offer such services after graduation. Finally, students are expected to complete 6 3-hour online training modules during the course of the academic year. These modules have been developed by the faculty at the 3 universities and were selected to provide fellows with information vital to practicing in the field. In addition to these offerings, other trainings and educational opportunities are made available to students during the academic year. The training modules were developed through a program called Articulate, which allows for an interactive learning environment. In addition to text-based information, students are also provided with videos, activities, and avatar-based interactions to foster a quality learning experience. In addition to educational opportunities, SUDWE offers a number of other benefits, including a total stipend of $12,000, an opportunity to learn from competent treatment providers currently in the field, assistance with getting your licensure, and the resume prestige of being a part of an exclusive fellowship. Karen Waller came into the SUDWE Fellowship with an already extensive work history in substance use disorder treatment. She was not planning on pursuing a master's degree because of the cost. However, SUDWE gave her the opportunity to advance her education and professional credentials, a chance she might not otherwise have had.
My senior year in the bachelor's social work program, a professor sent me information on the SUDWE program, and at that point I was just going to end my education. But after seeing the benefits that the SUDWE program offered, including tuition stipend, and also preparation for the testing, I decided to go ahead and get my master's in social work. And I did the accelerated program under the SUDWE program. And that offered me the ability financially to get my master's program. And during that time also, they offer a 2-day training on taking the test. And they offer these wonderful books with questions and information on how to test. And I was able to pass the LMSW exam on the first time. And I did really well on it, thanks to that opportunity.
We hope that this video has been informative. However, if you'd like to have more information, please feel free to reach out to Ryan Masaja or Danielle Murphy at the contact information listed. We look forward to receiving your application.